Hi friends, welcome to Jupiter's collection. My name is Kavita and I am from Mumbai. I have some rare scarce coins for you all today. Let's start. Grow More Food, Mumbai Mint, UNC condition, 200 rupees. 2002 Noida Mint, 5 rupees. 100. Asian Games, Mumbai Mint, UNC condition, 100. English Legend, UNC condition, Mumbai Mint, Nehru, 200. Indira Gandhi 50 paise, Mumbai Mint, only 100 rupees. Sant Daneshwar, Mumbai Mint, UNC condition, 200. 1995 Noida Mint, UNC condition, only for 300. Very scarce coin. 1987 Hyderabad Mint, 1989 Hyderabad Mint. This is for 100 rupees each. '84 Mumbai Mint, 100 rupees. '83 Mumbai Mint, 100. 1998 Noida, 100. World Food Day Mumbai Mint, BU condition, 200. 2002 Noida, UNC condition, 300. Bolu, BU condition, Mumbai Mint, 200. Hindi Legend, Mumbai Mint, UNC condition, Nehru, only for 100. Hindi Legend Kolkata, for 100. Arbindo Noida Mint, AUNC condition, 200. Half rupee Mumbai Mint, 46, 300. Rural Woman Mumbai Mint, UNC condition, this is 200. This has little rotation. This one is 200. 200 rupees each. Commonwealth Game Noida Mint, BU condition, 200. 1955 Kolkata Mint, 100. Quarter rupee. Supreme Court UNC condition, Mumbai Mint, 200. Subhash Chandra Bose Noida Mint, AUNC condition, 200. Plant Family Mumbai Mint, UNC condition, 200. Commonwealth Game Hyderabad Mint, 200. Sant Daneshwar Hyderabad Mint, UNC condition, 400. Mahatma Gandhi UNC condition, Mumbai Mint, 200. 2006 very scarce coin, cross coin, 2006 Noida Mint, 400. After 2004, this is 2006 is very scarce. Sardar Vallabhbhai Patel BU condition, D Lion variety, Mumbai Mint, only for 300. Mahatma Gandhi UNC condition, Mumbai Mint, 300. Dadabhai Nauroji BU condition, 5 rupees, Mumbai Mint, 400. 2004 Mumbai Mint, very scarce coin, 200. UNC condition. Food and Work Kolkata Mint, UNC condition, 5 paise, only for 300. Rainfed Farming Mumbai Mint, BU condition, scarce coin, 300. Arbindo UNC condition, Mumbai Mint, 300. AUNC condition, FAO series, agriculture coin, Mumbai Mint, only for 300. Asian Games Mumbai Mint UNC condition Dabbo coin 200. AUNC condition Mother's Health, very scarce coin, Mumbai Mint only for 400. Mahatma Basveshwar mule coin 300. D Lion 2000B rare coin, rare lion variety, this is only for 200 rupees. This is A Lion 1994 rare coin, lion variety, only for 300 rupees. This is like normal 94 Noida ka price I am giving, the lion variety. Cellular Jail Mumbai Mint UNC condition for 200. 1967 Hyderabad Mint extra fine condition, very rare coin, this is only for 600. See the lion, no dent or damage is there, nice condition, only for 600 rupees. Safe for Development Mumbai Mint BU condition, only for 400 rupees. Lal Bahadur Shastri BU condition, very scarce coin, Kolkata Mint, only for 500 with almost more than 1 hour rotation is there, 500 rupees. Quarter rupee 1955 Mumbai Mint for 500, rare coin, this is rare coin, only for 500 rupees. UNC condition Shama Prasad Mukherjee Noida Mint for only 300. Dr. B.R. Ambedkar Hyderabad Mint UNC condition only for 400. Hyderabad Mint, very scarce coin. Tamil Conference Hyderabad Mint AUNC condition, actually AUNC plus condition, this is 400 rupees. You can see full luster is there. (1967) Kolkata Mint 200. 1959 Kolkata Mint 300. 1957 Mumbai Mint 300. Tukaram Mumbai Mint UNC condition, very scarce coin, only for 300 rupees. AUNC condition Youth Year Mumbai Mint for 200. UNC condition Kolkata Mint Youth Year for 400. Bolu Hyderabad Mint BU condition 400. Care for Girl Child extra fine condition Hyderabad Mint, rare coin, only for 500 rupees. FAO Noida Mint AUNC condition, only for 400. 89 Noida UNC condition, only for 200. Tamil Conference Mumbai Mint UNC condition, very scarce coin, only for 500 rupees. This is Hyderabad Mint is very rare, almost rare coin this is, and this is very scarce coin, Mumbai one. United Nation Mumbai Mint lion variety, rare lion variety. See the lion, fat lion, see the clear lion, no dent damage, nice coin, only for 800 rupees. Shama Prasad Mukherjee Kolkata Mint UNC condition 500. Quit India Movement Kolkata Mint UNC condition 700. Arabindo Kolkata Mint, Lion variety, BUNC condition, very scarce, only for 500. D Lion, check the lion, this is a D Lion, 500 rupees. Kamaraj Hyderabad Mint, BU condition, 400. Santa Daneshwar Noida Mint, BU condition, only for 400. 95 Noida National Integration, 96 Noida National Integration. This is the set, UNC set, only for 300 rupees. World Food Day Mumbai Mint, UNC condition, very scarce coin, only for 700. Shama Prasad Mukherjee, BU condition, very scarce coin, Hyderabad Mint, only for 700 rupees. Care for Girl Child, Security Edge variety, Mumbai Mint. This variety is rare. This is for 500 rupees. 1967B, extra fine condition. This is a rare 25 paise, only for 1000 rupees. Other one is there, 1967B, extra fine also. This is a rare coin, only for 1200. One is there for 1000, one is there for 1200. You can choose which one you want. ILO Hyderabad Mint, AUNC condition, very scarce coin, only for 600 rupees. You see, nothing less than the UNC, very nice condition. Shama Prasad Mukherjee, this is the lion variety. If you know the lion variety, then only buy, otherwise you will get confused which is C1 lion, C2 lion. You will just keep studying. Actually, you have to take a book and check. In that you can come to know. You see this. This is the C2 lion and this is the C1 lion. I'll show you first C1 lion. And this is C2 lion. This is a set, only for 600 rupees. Normal coin price only I am giving you. This is for 300, this is for 300. So this is set is for 600 rupees. ICDS Hyderabad Mint, UNC condition, very scarce coin, only for 700 rupees. Madan Mohan Malviya Hyderabad Mint, BUNC condition, 700 rupees. You don't see this coin much in market. 1962 Kolkata Mint, UNC condition, rare coin, single mint coin. Check it. Check the luster. Check the luster. UNC condition, only for 1200 rupees. Water for Life Mumbai Mint, UNC condition, this is for only 500 rupees. Subhash Chandra Bose Mumbai Mint, UNC, very scarce coin, for 600. Agri Expo Mumbai Mint, rare coin in this condition, BU condition, only for 1400 rupees. ILO Noida UNC condition, very scarce coin, only for 700 rupees. Other one is there. This is UNC condition, this also UNC condition, but the price is 800 rupees. Very slight difference is nothing much. This is 700, this is 800. Food and environment, Noida Mint, BU condition, very scarce coin, 800 rupees. Maharana Pratap, Mumbai Mint, this coin only rare, but with the test mark it becomes more rare. Here the test mark, you see on the rupia ya is there on top of the ya, there you see here in this part, that's the test mark. This makes it rare, very rarely seen this test mark coins, only for 1500 rupees. Quarter rupee 1945, Mumbai Mint, this is a large 5, rare coin in large 5. Check the 5, bigger than the 4, the down 5, this, see, you can see here, just trying to show you, see, check the 5, this is the large 5, only for 2800 rupees, rare coin. Mahatma Gandhi, UNC condition, Mumbai Mint, only for 1800 rupees, silver coin. Here the mint mark, you can check here, 10 rupees coin, only for 1800. Food and work for all, Mumbai Mint, UNC set coin, rare coin, only for 3500. This is a rare coin, very less mintage. Plant Family, Mumbai Mint, UNC set coin, this is also rare coin, only for 3000 rupees. This is Mumbai Mint, Tamil Conference, Lion set, Lion variety set. The set is for only 500 rupees. Check the lion, this is a different lion, this is a different lion. Sorry, 1 minute. Check. Check the chest, lion chest and this lion chest, then you will come to know easily. And there is Satyameva Jayate. This is for 500 rupees set. Bolu Noida Mint, this is a sharp edge variety, only last piece is left. See the edges, very sharp edges. You can see this hexagon, sharp. See this. Only for 500 rupees, normal coin price, and see the legends, everything is clear. This like early strike, you can say. I'm just saying sharp edge, like first strike, but it's not first strike, it is early strike. When legends, everything is clear, you can check. This is called early strike, only for 500 rupees, normal coin price. I have this 88 Kolkata Mint, 20 paise, UNC condition, 50 rupees each. 50 rupees each. Lastly, I have this 50 paises. These are in this lot. There is some are UNC, some are not UNC. 1971 Kolkata, 100 rupees. 1971 100. 1970 Kolkata, 100. 1970 Mumbai, 100. 69 Kolkata, 200. 69 Mumbai, 200. 68 Kolkata, 200. 67 Mumbai, 200. 64 Kolkata, single mint coin. This is, you don't get this easily, that's why they are not UNC, but they are very scarce coin. In this condition also to get difficult. 200. 64 Kolkata, 200. 62 Mumbai, 200. 61 Kolkata, 200. 60 Kolkata, 300. See, they are not UNC, but they are 300 because it's not easily available. 1960 Mumbai, 300. Half rupees, 1954 Kolkata, 100. That's all for today, friends. Thank you for watching. See you again.